Hey, what's up everyone? Hopefully everyone's doing well. I haven't done a video in a long time. This is going to be my first unboxing of the new year of something that I've been wanting for some time now. I think every car enthusiast should have one just in case they get stranded or they don't have like AAA or some kind of roadside assistance. This should just get you to your destination where you could then fix said problem. So it is Friday, March 24th. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got home from work. I'm about to play some Call of Duty with my boy Brian. And I got this. I want to get this situated first, this video. So let's get started. The box is heavy. If you don't know what this is, it's a portable air inflator, air compressor, portable compressor, whatever you want to call it. It's by this company called Fanttik. This ran me $119 off Amazon. And like I said earlier, this is what I've kind of been wanting for some time now, just in case, you know. Actually, this came in handy because my Evo has been sitting since I got back from vacation, which was in January, and it's just been sitting. And the previous video I did, I don't know if you guys ever watched it, but before I went on vacation, my buddy Josh found that the rear toe bushing is totally blown out. So I bought the part, went to Myrtle Beach with the car the way it was, went to Mavis Discount Tire. They jacked it up on the lift. They found that the rear sway bar end links were busted. They were just dangling. So luckily Whiteline sent me out rear end links. So Josh is going to put that on, the end links, along with the rear toe bushings as well, hopefully tomorrow. I bought new tires because I found out the reason why I was moving like a fish, because the two back tires are totally bald, they're totally shot. And yeah, so my passenger right side back tire is actually low, it's totally flat, but my left driver's side is fine, and that's a bald tire like I just said. So two back tires, both bald, one is flat and one isn't. So this is going to be a good demonstration of how this device works. And let's see how to open this thing. Actually, I'm not going to keep this box anyway. There's two different colors to this product. You get yourself a... Oh God, it's gonna be a pain in the dick. Nope. Like I was saying, there's two different colors. One you could get all black, and the other one is you get some yellow mixed in with the black, which I got last night that I wanted. So first, it tells you what this can do. There's different modes on this device. You get basketball, soccer balls, you know, bikes. Motorcycle mode is for, well, it says motorcycle, car, and manual mode. 150 PSIs, that's what it goes up to, so it's not that bad. I don't know if there's any other portable devices that go well beyond 150. I'm not really too sure. So, all right. And like I told you guys just a few seconds ago, I got the one with the yellow. Like I said, you get all black if you want, or you get the second version, which is not the second version, but a different version with some yellow mixed in, which I wanted. Something different instead of all black. The nice thing is, too, about this is that the reason why it's so freaking heavy is that this acts as a flashlight as well. I gotta turn it on first. This acts as a flashlight, and also it acts as a battery charger as well. So you can plug your cell phone in. If you, let's say, you're like on 1% and it totally dies, you can plug this in and it'll charge the cell phone for you, which is awesome. That's another reason why I got it as well, because it's acts as a battery charger. There it goes. It doesn't come fully charged, but 3 bars is doable. It's at 35 psi's right now. There was other portable chargers that I wanted, because the stem for it actually goes inside. They actually had like a hole right here. We could actually insert the stem, and you could store it that way. This actually comes. Let me show you. Let me pick you guys up. That's what it comes with. What's in the box? The inflator, USB charging, air tube. That's what it is, not the stem. The air tube sat inside the portable device on another company's product, which I thought was great. Gives you the specifications. So I'm happy with what I bought. Let me open this up. Come on. Nothing else in it. That's fine. So actually, this comes with a carrying bag, which is awesome. Also comes with instructions as well. As you know, guys don't like to read instructions. They usually figure things out on their own, but in any sense, if you need help with anything, please refer to the instructions. Also comes with different other pairings as well. It should. I could be wrong. Yeah. I thought it came with, I guess it all does needle valve adapter. So this is the air tube. It's like a giant sock. But at any rate, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me open it up. It is Velcro. And you can stick your valves in here if you'd like, which is nice. Let's see. Might be in here. Let's go. Is it charging? There it is. There's your valve. So we can stick this once we're done blowing whatever. Well, that didn't sound too good. Once we're done inflating whatever it is that we needed to inflate, put this big bad boy in this sock and put this small thing in here, along with this, which is the air tube. I gotta get that right, and I'm gonna keep calling it a stem. So you want to hold the power button. This button on the left turns the light on. As you can tell, it's bright. That's why I wanted this as well, to become a flashlight, just in case you're stuck on the side of the road. Yada yada yada. Hit it again. So got that mode. Then off. As you can tell right here, the right button, it's a circle. Now it's at car mode, motorcycle, bike, and I guess sports you could call it, or ball. And this is manual. Now, once it's flashing manual, you could set it whatever PSI that you want. But if you're gonna do your car, you could please look before you start inflating the tire of your car. Make sure you have the right PSI. So this is the default 36, 35, 45 for the bike, ball is 8, Manual's 35. So once we go outside, I'm going to check the door jamb of my Evo 2011 GSR Mitsubishi Evolution, check what the PSI is stating for inflation, and go from there and see how long this takes. So stay tuned. The plus and minus changes the PSI. So stay tuned, guys. All right. This is my 2011 Evo GSR. As you can tell, it's totally flat. Well, not totally, I don't know, it's flat. It is so bald. Like I was telling earlier, that's why I was fishtailing around. I don't know if you can see that. Probably too close. But this one's fine. I'll probably check all of them anyway. What I did was, you gotta hold down the power button. I fully charged it. Charged the thing. All right. Check the inside door jamb. It tells you the specs. So let's see. The rear should be 32 psi. Front should be 32 psi. And the spare tire is going to be 60. Or no, 50, I think. Nope, 60. I was right. I had to take my glasses off. So let's get started.